good morning, everyone. Today, our group discussion topic is which one is better, love marriage or arranged marriage? This side is supporting,
Love marriage.
and this side is supporting.
Arranged marriage.
All right, please go ahead.
According to us, love marriage is much better than arranged marriage because in love marriage we knew everything about our partner dislike, interest, and the most important thing is secrets. And which is possible in love marriage and not which is not possible in arranged marriage.
Well, I disagree with your point that it's not just the case in love marriages. Even in arranged marriages nowadays, people try to know each other before getting married. And
I would like to add a point. As in 2024, family do respect their children decision. As we can see, they have in arranged marriage, their family give their choices. Means before making any decision, they have to decide. Means do they want to marry or do they not?
Love marriage allow a person to choose their partner over mutual love, respect and respect and understanding, which often leads to a good relationship and stronger emotional bond.
I want to add a point. In love marriage, what we see that partners share all the things they knew all about themselves and all. But in arranged marriage, it is not possible. And if we have seen a lot of cases where partners share their things with after marriage, and it causes a very like situation like divorce.
well, about what you said about divorce, that love marriages have higher divorce rate compared to arranged marriages. Well, according to a survey, love marriages have divorce rate of 35% to 50%, and in arranged marriage it is 4%.
I would like to contradict your point by saying the ratio of people getting divorced is higher in love marriage than in arranged marriage is because in love marriage both the partners are independent, whereas in arranged marriage they are under family pressure, so they are not able to work independently and you go for a divorce.
As Pallav said, in love marriage they can share their feeling and everything. Means, but in arranged marriage they can't. As you said, as I do agree with you. Means I slightly do agree with you. But in arranged marriage there might be a initial start. They have to means they have to rely on trust a bit by bit. But by bit they express their feeling little by little, and what's more, their family also support them.
In arranged marriage it's all about how much time you are giving your partner, but in arranged marriage it's like a person suddenly appears in front of you and you are getting married. In love marriage the higher chances are you are more familiar with your partner than arranged marriage.
Well, I disagree with your point that you said that in arranged marriage you just meet a person, you get married. That's wrong. The nowadays of the parents they let them choose a marriage compatible marriage partner who have a good background and a good family.
Actually, I slightly disagree with the point. In arranged marriage, we all have seen that they do not support the intercaste marriage. But in love marriage, actually, the partners which are familiar to each other parents, it means matlab, they do not think about the caste and all the things.
I would like to add to a point. I would say like if you are getting married by love marriage, you know each other values and their goals. So doesn't matter what is their caste, you go for their goals and their values.
As you said, in love marriage, their intercaste marriage is done, and in arranged marriage, they don't. But in love marriage, they do. Let's say they do intercaste marriage, but does society accept them? There might be many problems they face. Even their family don't disagree. What about that?
I would say in most of the cases in love marriage, partner doesn't consider the caste system. They go for intercaste or whatever they like. They're not considering what family and other members are thinking of. According to me, that give them independence of all the culture. They don't have to follow whatever going to be imposed on them. They can follow whatever they want. They are equally goal oriented, I would say that love marriage here plays a superior role.
Yeah, as Deepak said that what society will think. Basically, I want to say that it's our life. It should be our decision, not society. What society will say. Would you think that if you face any problem, then society will help you out? I don't think. So take your decision. You should be. You. It's your life. It's your partner. Then it should be your decision also. Don't think about society.
I want to contradict your point by saying that in love, like if you do intercaste marriage, if you fall in love and you do intercaste marriage, you would have a cultural difference would be a problem for you, and even if you, and there are even many cases that there was a case I think that everyone would have heard that a Muslim Indian Muslim guy, just because of a small conflict, he killed the girl and put it her in the in the freezer, fridge, in the refrigerator. And what would you say about that?
What Bhumi said that she talk about a case. I think everywhere there is an exceptional case. I think in arranged marriage we have heard about a lot of cases where the girl suicide due to a lot of pressure by her parents and due to dowry. Basically, I want to highlight the word dowry. So I think we have like same cases we have seen in arranged marriage.
I would like to add to his point. I would say that there are many cases that ended very well in arranged marriages, but there are also some exceptional cases which were not really good. I would say that if two person are giving a thought to live a life for making someone a life partner, I would say that you should spend more and more time, and spending more and more times is only possible in love marriage. If a person is going through arranged marriage, they don't have enough time for know who he's really getting married to, or she's getting really married to. All the background checkup part and that is handled by family, but family is not going to live with you for your eternity. I would say that.
I disagree with your point. Well, that might be what you said, that it's a family who do the background checkup. That used to would have happened before, when there was no technology. Nowadays, people have phones and all, know each other better, and they can have meetups before getting married. And it's not like if you meet someone to go for in with the purpose of getting married, it's not like they get married right away. They have given time, the parents give them time to know each other better, and if they agree with it, then only it's taken to the next step of getting. After having a healthy discussion between which is better, love marriage or arranged marriage, I would like to say that no matter whether it is love marriage or arranged marriage, a marriage is simply unpredictable yet excitingly blissful if you are blessed with the right person. Thank you.
Wonderful. It was a wonderful discussion, and you guys have put across your points. And finally, I would like to say a marriage is marriage between two people and two families at the same time. So somewhere it becomes the responsibility of the partners and also the families to make sure that this relationship goes long. And for that, there got to be understanding and mutual respect for each other as well as their families. Because India is a country where we'll live as a society. We can't really be individual and think about ourselves only. I think families play an important role, and I think everybody should go ahead and try their best to make this relationship last longer and a successful one. And as an audience, मैं चाहूँगा कि आप लोग भी comment section में लिख के जरूर बताएं कि आपके हिसाब से love marriage ज़्यादा better होती है या arranged marriage. And I hope, because group discussion is the best way to practice your English. Happy learning. Want to learn spoken English? Follow Excellent Academy, the English Guru.